So maybe this time, guys. Two old friends meet again, hearing all their faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again, and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time he'll be loving their past. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life.